This can't be true. Every year the same hassle. Now I'm missing time with my family again, just because of these pesky leaves.
Hey, put an end to the hassle. Let me help you make your life easier. With the DaRi system. That sounds too good to be true. How is that supposed to work? It's child's play. Just click it in and you're done. It is guaranteed to fit in your gutter.
Well, that was quick. Such a great solution. My weekends are saved.
Yes, exactly. Due to its revolutionary design, the DaRi system protects the gutter permanently and effectively. It prevents blockages from needles and leaves. And it fits almost any gutter and is 100% recyclable.
I am delighted.
Thank you, DaRi system. Your rescue for a worry-free home and absolute peace of mind.